So welcome to video 1 in our course G02 on genome assembly. So this will fill you on the logistics behind this course. So remember, Monday and beforehand on the 6th of March, you'll have time to view this material and go through the introductory videos and also the demonstration videos. That's advisable before the first lab on Tuesday, the 7th of March, where we'll cover implementing assembly on pen and paper, with some pretend reads and also with FASTQ files using spades, and we'll also run Quast to look at those assemblies in more detail. You'll have time on Wednesday then to do further reading or look at particular files that are of interest to you before we follow that up with more work on Thursday, finishing off the Quast analysis and visualizing our genomes with Bandage before we evaluate our assemblies at the end. And then you'll have plenty of time after the course then to further explore aspects of de novo assembly. Remember, we're trying to take things bit by bit at the right pace for you, and that will always be the main aim of the labs. So what you'll learn is about key concepts in this area of genome assembly. You'll learn about short read assembly methods and also how they can be used or separately or linked to long read assemblies. So we can tackle this problem of our incomplete jigsaw. So we'll look in detail at certain assembly algorithms, particularly the bone graft assembly, and we'll also look at other sequencing technologies and how that affects assemblies briefly. So we'll also look at approaches. So by the end of the course, you'll be able to look at how genome assembly is implemented from different points of view for host, vector, and pathogen genomes. You'll be able to create genome assemblies from short read data and also from long read data. So that's our aim for the course. So please view the next videos on this whole area, and also note that there's a variety of reading material contained that are sometimes mentioned during different slides that will also extend your knowledge of this wider area.